It's time for revenge. My Ducati Diavol 1260S has been under attack. How do I know that it was under attack? Because last night I detailed the bike, as I always do. And then this morning I came over and I discovered this. What is this? Hell no. HE double hockey sticks, no. No, you did. No, you did not get all over the bike with your little foot, your little paw prints. No, and you didn't. You even got up there. No. I just put F11 all over the bike. That stuff's like more expensive than buying a kidney on the black market. And over here, I meticulously spray this down. What is this? Little pitter patter, little footprints. Oh, hell no, they got on the rims too? You guys know how hard it is to detail those rims, don't you? You know what I'm talking about, getting your hands all contorted and twisted around like SpaghettiOs. They got their filthy paws on the rims. Not on my watch. It's time for war. You know, I used to be the kind of guy who would catch and release mice. That was before you got on my Ducati Diavol. Now it's war. War. So I've got those. I figured that they climbed up the wire here. I don't know, of my charger here. These are awesome, by the way. I have these on both my motorcycles. These are on my Amazon storefront if you guys want to check it out. I always appreciate you guys buying things on my Amazon storefront. Doesn't cost anything extra for you all, but it does help the channel. Actually, I'll put these mouse traps on my Amazon storefront as well because these are awesome. They've got these little removable trays so you don't have to worry about smashing your fingers. You just put the peanut butter in here, you put it back in, and then you set them. See that peanut butter right in there. Mouse is going to come in and say, hey, let's pee on the Ducati again. And then that's going to hit him. I even put these glue traps down in case the traps that I'm about to put up does not fully protect the motorcycle. Guys, you know, I like animals and all that. But there is a line that one should never cross. And as you can see here, that line has been crossed over and over and over and over again. And I can only imagine them peeing on my seat. It's time for revenge. And I looked it up online. Those are actually mouse footprints. Yeah, not having it. Not having it. All right, aside from this, I'm sorry to say that a good friend of mine, fellow YouTuber, more of a casual YouTuber, his name is Mike. He's a veteran. He has fallen on some financial hardship. I've known him for a long time. He's been a subscriber to the channel forever. You know, always engaged, always posting comments, all around good guy. Well, he's become homeless, and he's a young guy. So it saddens me to see anybody homeless, let alone, you know, a military vet who has put his life on the line for us. Mike, if you're watching, thank you for your service. So someone had set up a GoFundMe page for him. I am putting that information on the screen as well as the link down there. I donated. If you guys could also donate, you know, help him out. He is living in his car and we want to help him get back on his feet. So much love to the brotherhood, guys. Hopefully you can help out a fellow brother. Always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I will see you in the next one. While we're at it, let's take a look at this beautiful, windy, late March, unusually warm night for late March. Here are the peep frogs, full moon, praise God, it's beautiful. Awesome.